In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your privacy settings in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money provides built-in privacy and security controls so you can protect your financial data and manage how your information is accessed. To access these settings on desktop, log into the Monarch Money web app and click the settings icon in the top left corner. Then open the security section. Here, you can update your password and manage active sessions. You can also control access for household members, deciding what information they can view or manage within shared accounts. For data controls, go to the Data section in Settings. You can review your connected accounts, which are typically read-only, and manage how your data is used within the app. If needed, you could disconnect accounts, export your data, or request account deletion for full control over your information. Reviewing these settings regularly helps keep your account secure and your financial data private. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.